Hello creative minds, this is Layla here, and I am going to make a nice scarf right now. It is going to be based on crochet mesh. When you look at that crochet mesh on the diagram, you see a bunch of the lines and then circles, but actually if you use it in a smart way, it ends up being a nice handy pattern to know. And you can do actually with the crochet mesh, you can do pillow covers, bags, scarves, and small cell phone holders, book covers. I mean, it's really up to your imagination. Alright, I've done this scarf many times before, and it always looked exciting and refreshing and really nice, okay? And let's see how it's done. Let's enjoy it. Okay, the yarn used here is Trendsetter Yarns, Astro. This is a designer's yarn. I bought it a long time ago, and it was sitting in my basket. Okay, and another yarn I'm using is Bernard's Soft Buckle. Soft Boucle. And here is the yarn information and their website. Okay, and let's start. Alright, since you already watched my video, I'm not doing anything different. I just made a new skein here, and I have 17 chain stitches. If you would like to do longer, you just make it longer, and that's all it is. Now these scarves are so much fun, and so much creativity actually you can put in there. It's how actually I made my daughter to learn crochet mesh. She was actually resisting to learn it, and then just the question was her question was, Mom, why do I have to learn this? What project can I use this? So I show her the actual project, what she could do with it, and she was so excited. Now she makes those mesh scarves and gives her friends, and it's lots of lots of enjoyment for her now. Okay, I have 17 chain stitches, and this is exactly the same what I've done in the previous video, but I'm using the colors to make it fun project, and also do a nice scarf. Okay, now I did not count. Let me count now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. Okay, now I need to do 3 here, 3 chain stitches up, and 1 here. That means I have to do total 4. And let me take my little earring. Oops, sorry, I dropped it. Okay, I will mark this down here. Okay, and from here I'll make 4, 1 2 3 and 4 chain stitches. And now I have to do this double crochet, and I marked this chain stitch here because I need to do my double crochet right here. Okay, once I did it, I can remove my earring and put this away and continue the knitting. 1 double crochet, and then I need 1 chain stitch, and I have to do 1 double crochet, skip 1 chain stitch, and do this in the next one. Okay, so we are skipping this and we are knitting in the next one. Okay, so it's all it is about this pattern. Okay, when you have different yarns, you can combine them, you can come up with nice real nice combinations. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm to the last stitch here. I'm doing my last one. Okay, and I'm trying to knit loosely, real loose, so it's going to be soft and nice when you touch it. Okay, some of you may like this size, some of you may want to double it. It's completely up to you. Okay, now we turn it around and do another. Okay, do another. So this was the first row, this was another one. Okay, this was one, second, and this is third. Right. Okay, and here we have to do again 3 chain stitches to compensate of this side of the of our fabric. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and then we do another chain stitch here. Okay, and just continue the knitting. So this is a small example of the scarf. See, at this point we have to pay attention that we are making our double crochet stitches exactly, oops, I skipped it, see, good, I took a look of it, exactly on top of each other. Okay, once I did double crochet here on this one, now I need to do my next double crochet stitch right here. Okay, let's chain stitch, and then again my next double crochet stitch will be on, they go on top of each other, exactly on top of each other. Okay, I went ahead and knitted some fabric here. Okay, I don't need more than this because as you see, our scarf is going to be really short. Now I'm going to cut this off and just simply continue doing with the black yarn, and I'm not doing anything different. Okay, I'm going to just simply continue doing same pattern but with the black yarn. Okay, I'm sorry it was a little too long. Okay, here is my end. Here we are. Okay, so I have this right here, and I'll connect them, and then I just simply will continue knitting. Oh, first I have to secure this. Okay, now first one I will knit 2 of those yarns, the working yarn and the loose end. Okay, this is my second chain stitch, 2, 3, and I have to have 4 of them right at the side. Okay, and I simply will go ahead and do the scarf. 1 chain stitch, and I'll do double crochets on every double crochets here. Here we are. See, nothing different. Even though I'm doing this with the black yarn now, I am repeating my pattern. Okay, see? And now I will knit black, and at the end I'll do once more like this. See, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. Okay, and I'll do same at the end.